Hi guys, in this tutorial I want to show you how to connect Unity engine with the MCP server. As you can see, I connected with the cursor in this tutorial. Okay, as you can see, I created this red cube with a cursor using MCP server and the Unity engine. Okay, let's go. Okay, first thing first, go here to Google cursor.com/download and download for Windows right here, or you can download from for Linux from those links. Okay, after that, go here to unity.com and click this download button to download the Unity. Okay, after downloading Unity, go here, open Unity, click here, new project. Okay, this is my version, the final version of Unity. Okay, use AI assistant. Rename the project what you want. You can select provider as you want. For me, I don't select any provider. Okay, hit create project. Okay, fine. Let's close this app and go here to Windows. Here, package management. Select project as package manager. Okay, after that, click this plus button and add this Git URL. You can get it from the description. Okay, click this plus button, Git URL. Paste this URL right here and hit install. The package is installing right now. Is MCP for Unity, this package. Okay, as you can see, the MCP for Unity is installed successfully. Close this package and go ahead to Windows. Okay, local setup window. Click here. And system requirements, you must have Python is installed and UV package is installed. After that, hit done. Okay, use your client. For me, I want to use cursor. You can select all of them or select only cursor. For me, I want to select all of them. Okay, configure selected. Okay, now return right here to MCP for Unity, tag MCP window. Okay, go here to connect. Make sure it's HTTP and go here, select cursor. Once you select, click configure. It's configured. And now click start server. Okay, as you can see, it started server. Okay, let's move to the next step. Let's return here to this GitHub and open cursor. Okay, login with Google. Okay, continues to sign in. Choose your Google account. Okay. Let's continue. Continue. Okay, I want to use the free plan. For me, I don't have money to make subscription. Continue. Maybe later. Okay, login. Now, let's return here to cursor. As you can see, is logged in. Now, this is the area, the Unity, MCP for Unity is activated, server is started. As you can see, a project number 1, this is my server. Let's test it with cursor. For example, okay, create a red cube in Unity using MCP. Okay, as you can see, the MCP server is worked correctly. I created a red cube, as you can see.